Alright, so in this problem, we are looking for the greatest factor of 500, which is not divisible by 5. So to solve this, we're going to take the prime factorization of 500. And we're going to break this into 4 and 125. And then we can break 4 into 2 2s. And those are prime numbers, so can't do anything more with those. 125 we can break into 5, which is a prime number, and 25. So 25 we can further factorize, and 5 goes into 25 twice, so those are both prime. Then we have to reorder all the values and square what we can. So we have 2 squared plus 5 to the third. This is our factorization, but we're not done with the problem yet. So this is all going to be, all these factors are going to be divisible by 5, so we know that that's not going to work. So we're left with 2 and 4, and 4 is greater than 2, so we know the answer is going to be 4, and 4 works because 2 squared is 4.
What problem is test doing?
7. Alright, so number 7 says, Olivia has an appointment at 3 p.m. that is 21 miles from her home. She rides her bike from home at an average speed of 14 miles per hour and arrives 10 minutes early. At what time did she leave home for the appointment? So the first thing I knew is that she arrived for her appointment 10 minutes early. So she arrived at her appointment at 2:50. Okay. So she arrived at 2:50. And then you know that she rides her bike at 14 miles per hour. So what I did first is I knew that she rides at 2:50, like I wrote right there. And then I wrote that at 1:50, she would have been on her bike and she would have been 7 miles from her home. And I knew this because I know that if she rides at 14 miles per hour, 1 hour earlier, she would have been 14 miles into her ride, which is 7 miles. And so then I knew that we had to get that 7 miles from home I don't think I'm doing this right.
So you wanted 14 miles in 1 hour, 17 miles more, 7 more miles to go. What fraction of 14?
So yes, 7 is half of 14, and I knew that 14 is in 1 hour, so I knew that in half an hour she would have gone 7 miles. So I knew that in half an hour earlier, so at 1:20 here. I knew that at 1:20 she was 0 miles from home. And so I knew that she left her house at 1:20 p.m.